In today's video, I'm going to rate an I Stupid menu. Okay, Doug, get out my camera shot. Go away. I don't know how you just no-clipped. So, we're going to be doing movement mods because it has a lot of mods on it, and these are my favourite. Platforms, everybody knows what this is, unless you don't even know what mods are. Blah blah blah, trigger platforms, the same. Like, it's just this one. Grip. Frozen, my favourite. If you watch Incredibles, oh, you know what this is. If you watch Incredibles, if not, it's slidey platforms, basically. Bro, I'm stuck. There we go. Alright, let's go for Treehouse for the next one anyway. Alright. Platform spam. It's Frozone, but doesn't have collisions. But you can make some really satisfying patterns with it. Like that. Now we have platform gun. It's the same. You can't. They don't have collisions. But you launch platforms. Oh. Now we have fly. I think it's wherever you point your hand. No, it's wherever you look. Hold down A, it's wherever you look. Let's go for gazebo. Turn off trigger fly. T trigger. It's wherever you look, just like the last one. Oh. So, okay. That's annoying me. There we go. No clip fly. Just as you. What is that? I don't know. Joystick fly. Use this hand, and wherever you look, you fly to. Bark fly. If you use bark menu, you know what this is, but use this one to go up and down, you use this one to go left and right. And forward and backwards. This one go up, right, turn around. Now hand fly. This is where you point your hand like, oh yeah, look, I'm looking up, but I'm gonna point my hand down, yeah? I'm gonna look up. I'm going down. Fly towards. Oh, I think that's fly towards player. I can't, because if you see a leaderboard earlier, you know why. Zero gravity slingshot fly. That's cool. Slingshot bark fly. Okay. WASD, that's on my PC. Dash, you jump and then you press A. It's cool. When you get mods, it's not your fault. It's not the mod creator's fault if you get banned. Birdfly. I don't know how that works. Oh, is it? Yeah. Iron Man. I don't know what that is. And then I realised how to use Iron Man. Yeah. Bro, why is this thing back? Oh, what? What did I just do? Well, is it my triggers? Oh! My, buttons! Okay. Now I'm on soundboard. Soundboard. Mods. Oh. everybody's telling me how my story's supposed to go. Nah, I'm gonna do my own thing. Roar. Okay. I'm pretty sure grappling hooks is the same. I think grappling hooks are just like more accurate, more powerful. Bro, just let me on. Okay. Oh. Yeah, it's just Spider-Man more accurate and more powerful. Anyway, on to the next mod. Drive. Driving in my car. Sticky drive. I don't know what it has. No clue. Oh, no. Up and down. Left, right. Right doesn't work. Yeah, right doesn't work. Forwards and backwards doesn't work. So let's change it. What? Oh. Oh my god. I'm even going down. Auto walk. Bro, this is perfect for ghost trolling. What a funny one. Oh, that's really hard to catch on with. Auto pinch. Oh. Yeah, I'm not sure this one works that well. I think you have to align it like. Auto elevator climb. Bro, it doesn't work either. It's working this. Oh, I don't even know what just happened. Yes. Auto. I don't even know what's going on there. Forced. Okay, so you just got to... As a falling. Low gravity. 0 gravity. High gravity. Reverse gravity. Ooh. Rewind. Oh. So you just... Oh, wow. Okay, so here's a tutorial for you guys if you got this. Your reflection, go like this. Boop. Turn around while you're rewinding. So you're gonna do like an absolute jump like this. And then rewind like this. Yep. Right, cool. Macros. Oh, bro. I think you guys know what this is. It just sticks you to walls. Yeah. It just sticks you to walls. I think it just sticks. There's your forearm. I think it just makes it so you can't fall. It just rotates you around. Oh, you can become like Spider with this. Teleport to random doesn't work. Teleport gun. What do you think? You just point it. Oh, I just said something. Tactical nuke incoming! Checkpoint. You press it. You press the other one. I remember using this. Oh, you press this. Bam. Oh. Just a few. What's that? One, two, three. One. Next. I don't know what that is. Ender pearl. If you play Minecraft, yeah. Hold down G, throw it. Over it lands. You get teleported to C4. Punch mod. I can't work these because yeah. Timer. Oh no, that is. Dynamic. Don't think those work. I don't know why. Slippery hands. No slip. Wait. Okay. Sticky hands. Oh, Clumby. I don't know what that is. slide. I don't know what the f this is. Weak. Throw controller. Stick. I don't know what's happening right now. Oh, follow the white dot, follow the white dot. Rah! This is really annoying. Same with Bunny Hop. Stairs off. There we go. Ground topper. Gee. I don't know what. Oh. Pinch makes you extremely fast. Bouncing. Yes. Oh, I see. Just go on top of this. Fast. Going fast. That's ghost. Invisible just makes you not invisible. Rig gun. Oh, I just said. Da.
Put a camera in Joe Biden's bathroom and watched him take a poop.